love fall. I love fall decorations. I love football. I especially love cooler temperatures. And so I want to share with you a video today that is my fall decorations from some of the great deals that I've been able to get at places like Michael's and At Home, Kirkland's, Hobby Lobby, and of course the Dollar Tree. So join me today as I show you my dining room table, my breakfast room table, a little bit in the kitchen, and then be sure to subscribe so that you're notified when I upload my fall porch decorating video and also my coffee bar. I know you're gonna love those. You're gonna get some great ideas, and then comment below and share some of your ideas for your fall decorations this year. So I just ran to Walmart to pick up a few little things, and I couldn't resist going to the fall decorations aisle. I really think Walmart has stepped up their game when it comes to decorations. I was really impressed. I haven't been there in a while and checked it out, and I was so excited. So check out what I got. I just grabbed, one of the things I like about Walmart and some Dollar Tree and some of these is you can get some small things to add to your bigger pieces of decor. And these things are inexpensive, and they also just kind of help complete a look. And so I just want to show you a few of the things that I got. I've got a few others of these other pumpkins like this, and I really love them. And then I wanted to get just a little bit of bling for my dining room table, and you'll see why soon. So they have these really, really cute, look at these sparkly pumpkins. Are these not adorable? So I'm so excited to put these in. Here's another one. I love these colors. So I grabbed several of these. There's some more of the white with a little bit of, you can kind of see a little bit of the bling on there. A couple of different sizes. These are 99 cents at Walmart right now. Go get some. Okay, so I've got those. Oh, and then just some of the fall picks. This is a little bit I wanted to add to it. It's hard to really tell, but this has some sparkle to it as well. This is 99 cents too. So I got several of those. And then in here, this is really the reason why I went to Walmart. This is what my husband thinks I went to get, but I kind of got a few more things. Okay, look at these cute signs. Look at this. I love these. There's this one. And then this one says blessed. And I think that's all of them. One was blessed, grateful, welcome. I'm so excited about these. These can be used for so many different things. You can hang them on the neck of a lamp. You can hang them on a lantern. Actually, I really started to take some ribbon and put through them and wrap them around the back of a chair. So this would be hanging on the back of your chair just to add another little pop of fall to my decor. So I love those. Here's a few more pumpkins. I love the Cinderella shaped pumpkin. This is one of my favorites. So I wanted to go ahead and get not just the white, I wanted a little bit of color. Again, here's another size with just a little bit of the sparkle. And a couple of small pumpkins here. I love this sign. I'm going to use this at my coffee bar. So be sure to watch the coffee bar video coming very soon for my fall with my fall decorations. This one, Good Morning Pumpkin. I think this is going to look so cute. Okay, then I picked these up, and I want you to know, have you seen these canisters? This was $6.88 for this canister. I saw the same exact canisters. There's this one and this one. They're kind of aged looking at Home Goods, which is one of my very favorite stores. I love to go to Home Goods. It was twice as much at Home Goods as it was at Walmart. So Walmart, way to go. I'm so excited. I forgot to tell you, this is $3.98 for this sign. Okay, and then I picked up these little signs, and I'm so excited about these. This is, I don't know if you can read this. This is Give Me a Pumpkin to Talk About. It's just such a cute little saying. And this one, You Are the Apple to My Pie. Nuts for Fall. And pumpkin is the spice of my life. I thought these signs and these colors were so cute. And you're gonna see what I'm gonna do with them here in just a minute with my dining room table. I can't wait to show you. So since today has been spent all about decorating and getting ready for fall, one of my recipes that I love to make during the fall is this orange chicken. And I'm gonna share the recipe with you on my website. So you can go to the blog at harvestinghome.com. If you make this chicken, you marinate it in orange juice and ginger and crushed garlic. It is so good, and you cannot imagine how it makes your house smell. It will make you think it is already fall. Thanks for watching today. I hope you got some great ideas. Be sure to like this video and subscribe, and then also go to the Harvesting Home website at harvestinghome.com. And I'm looking forward to all your comments and all the great ideas that you're going to share in the comments below.